Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
This wig make me forget I'm in Georgia, okay? This is very much giving tropical, you know what I mean, close to some water. Baby, I'm in Georgia, ain't no water. Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install and style this long ass, pretty ass wig from Wiggins hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I'm looking at my viewfinder and I see a bunch of lines on the screen. So if y'all can see the lines on the screen, I'm sorry, I'm still trying to figure out how to fix that, but that's not what this video is about. We're gonna get into this hair, we're gonna get into the installs, the baby hairs. Also, I have been wearing this wig for a week and it still looks just as good, so that just speaks for my install process, and everything else is 100-degree weather outside and I was able to keep this wig for a week. So yeah. Before we hop into it, I'm gonna show you guys what all this in the package. This was the package that it came inside of. And inside I have a few pair of lashes. This is 5 pair of mink lashes. So cute. They're super full and super long. So maybe I'll cut these up and use them, but I will definitely need them because I got a couple of shoots coming up. But I got a elastic band, which is also gonna come in handy in this tutorial, a toothbrush, and then they also sent a silk drawstring bag. So when I decide to take off this wig and I just wanna store it safely, I will put it inside of here. So that's everything they sent me, and I also think they sent a wig cap as well, which is on my head, which is why it's not in the box. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Stay to the end to hear my honest reviews of this hair. So y'all already know that y'all got a thumbs to the video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. Y'all, this is so much hair. Like, I'm so overwhelmed right now, but I just know deep down inside that when I get done, it's gonna be so cute. So I'm not gonna get too overwhelmed. This is something, y'all. This is a lot of hair. And this wig is gonna be a little bit, I'm gonna have to tug on it a little bit to bring it where I need it to be, because I don't know what it is about my hairline or my head, but like it's always, I feel like my wigs are always so small, but they're not small in size. It's just that the hairline itself, I be having to tug on it to bring it like to the front where my hairline would naturally be, if that makes sense. But I have not put any makeup or anything on this lace. As y'all can see, this is HD lace and it's super thin. I really don't even have to put makeup on here, but I think I'm gonna put it on here anyway for safety, because I don't know how exactly it's gonna look once I glue it down. And I don't know, I just always put makeup on it. Maybe one day I'll try it and not put makeup on my HD, because I don't think people use makeup on HD, but I do, because I just always like mine to blend perfectly. But as you guys can see, I have some clips in my hair to just keep all of the hair out of the way while I am gluing this wig down. I've already plugged to bleach the knots and kind of customize the hairline to where I want it to be. So basically all I have to do now is glue it down and style it. So let's just do that. I'm gonna use some powder that is my skin tone, and I'm just gonna paint this all over the inside of the lace. As you guys can see, I've already done my wig cap method. I have some other videos that show you guys how exactly I do it. I do it almost in every video. That's why in this one I decided to not show this, because I want to focus more so on, you know, the baby hairs and, you know, me actually putting down the unit. But I have so many other videos of showing how I do my wig cap method. So if y'all are interested, I'll probably have some linked in this video and also some linked down in the description. So I'm just putting all of this on the inside of the lace. I'm also gonna put some on the top of the lace as well. This hair is so fine and this lace is so fine too. I'm so excited, but I'm so scared at the same time. I don't know. I've been doing this for so long, but I still get nervous. And like a lot of people always ask me, oh, will you ever do hair? I feel like I would have a panic attack every time it's time to do somebody's hair, because shit, I have a panic attack every time it's time to do my hair. So I don't know, y'all. I wanna one day, you know, take appointments just to see, you know, how my work would look and just have that experience, because I mean, I have been doing hair for a very long time. I've been doing my own hair, let me say that, for a very long time. And like, I have done installs on other people, but one thing I have not done yet was put on a brand new wig on somebody. I've re-put on somebody's wig, but I've never gave them like a fresh install, and I feel like if I was to do that, I would eat down. But I'm just so nervous, like my anxiety just be eating me up, y'all. Even though I plucked this unit, I want to say that the hairline on this hair was super duper good. So if you're not experienced in plucking, you won't have too much to do, because I believe the wig came with a pre-plucked hairline. So yeah, for all the girlies who are beginners or just know how to pluck a little bit, don't really know how to do too much, this wig, perfect. Like, it was just, I didn't have to do much at all. Now it's time to apply this glue. So I'm gonna have to glue this wig down side by side, because like I said, I'm gonna have to tug, and you can't glue down a wig at one time when you have to pull the lace. You kind of have to do one side at a time. And what I'm gonna do is just cut like a flap like this, so I'm able to lift this up and down, y'all see. And what I'm gonna be using today to glue down my wig, like always, is Ghostbond. I got me some glue on the back of something, and then I'm gonna be using a popsicle stick to go ahead and apply this. But before I do that, I'm gonna put this back down so I can kind of remember where the glue is gonna go. So it's gonna go like here. I'm gonna just put it where I have the wig cap, and if I have to add more, then I'll add more. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this lace back down, and I'm gonna sit it exactly where I want it. After I have it where I want it, I'm gonna take a comb and I'm going to push the lace into the glue. Y'all see how the glue is turning white? I think it's doing that because I'm at the end of the bottle, and I don't know, when I was pouring it out, it was kind of like watery, so I don't know if that has something to do with it, but that's what you don't want to happen. But I know a way to fix it, but this is what you want to not have. I'm gonna cut the next flap, which will be the middle flap. It's just gonna be this little section here. Okay, so I think that's about as clear as it's gonna get, y'all. I don't know why my glue is doing this today. Why? This is the side, the struggle side. As y'all can see, where it naturally sits is clearly too far back. And so what I'm gonna have to do is tug it to about here so it can sit where it needs to go.
My hair sweated out, and I don't have heat trained hair, so when I tell you that my roots are like literally in bunches right now, honestly, this is how my hair looks right now.
I'm gonna have to cut this. I don't know what to do now, because this don't look good. I can't believe my lace just betrayed me. I told y'all this lace is very thin, so it probably wasn't a good idea to tug on it, but I had no other choice because it doesn't fit my head. Y'all, no warning, no nothing, just rip. Okay, I'm about to put all this freaking hair back. I can't believe this right now. I'm about to take all these clips out my hair and then clip it all up. I mean, it don't look bad, but there's no hair right here. Like, it's just... Now, I'm gonna take some Wonder Lace in the red can. I'm gonna spray this all around the hairline, then I'm gonna tie it down with a elastic band. Tight, but not too tight, because you don't want your lace to budge, like bulk up. So I'm gonna tie it down like this after I spray my product, and then we're gonna let this sit for about, I'm gonna let it sit for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now that I have the hair flat and I think my part is as straight as it's gonna get, I'm gonna start pulling out where I want my baby hairs, and I always just do them kind of like in the corner, if that makes sense, of like the hairline. So I always be like right here. And once I kind of got where I want the hair to be, I'm gonna clip the rest of the hair out so that I don't get anything mixed up. Now I'm gonna take my hot comb and hot comb the hair going downward. So what I like to do is tweeze some of the hair out of my baby hairs because I don't like them super thick. So I'm just gonna take some of this hair out. I'm gonna take a razor and start to cut them. Okay, so this is about the length that I want them to be. So now what I'm gonna do is get them all, and then I'm going to flip them upward using my mini flat iron. I'm gonna spray them with my Got To Be hairspray. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to, it's so much loose hair, I'm about to lose my mind. I hate hair everywhere, but I'm going to start to form them kind of in the way that I want them to go before I add any product. I'm gonna use a mixture of the black Got To Be and the yellow Got To Be to mold down these edges. I'm gonna use the clear one first, and then I'm gonna add the yellow one towards the end when I got them, you know, kind of going in the way that I want them to go. Y'all, this is my hair. I've had this hair in for a week now, so this is not right after I filmed, you know, the tutorial. So I wanted to just show you guys how good my lace looks. I have not touched it up or anything. Even the other side, y'all remember I had a little mishap. right here. It looks really good for me to have been wearing this hair for a week. I will say though, I did have some issues with tangling in this hair. I just had to detangle it a little longer than what I wanted to, but other than that, once it gets detangled, it's just as beautiful again. I didn't put any product on this hair until today. So before today, I didn't have any product other than, I believe I put some serum in it, but that doesn't, you know, change the curl pattern or anything. Today I put some foam in it because it had got a little bit dry, which I don't know if that also contributes to, you know, the tangling, you know, the detangling process. I don't know if that contributed to it because it has been a week and I haven't put anything in it. So yeah, I just threw some foam in here and it looks right back to life. Like, it looks so freaking good. I love this wig. I cannot wait to take me some pictures in it, even though it's already been a week and I haven't taken no pictures. So I kind of got to rush. Yeah, this hair is just super bomb, y'all. I love the look of this hair. I love the way that it came out. I just love this curl pattern. It's just so, I don't know, it just gives island, it gives vacation. It definitely don't give this hot ass 100-degree dry ass Georgia weather, but it's super duper bomb. Like, I love it so freaking much. Like, all the links on this hair will be listed in my description box, as well as all the details, and I might also have a coupon code down there, so do not forget that step if you plan on purchasing this unit. But other than that, that is it for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs it up and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my kashiajabre is lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.